Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve Hindustan Times newspaper Sudoku puzzle on October 12, 2023. 5-star Sudoku. Column E, 8th row and 9th row be a pair numbers 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 8, 2. 6th row, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in any one of these cells. We confirm later. Then column E, only 1 numbers are remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 5th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 4th grade and column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. 2nd row, 4th row, column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have pair numbers 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. 8 also we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column B, column D, we have 5. 8 also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 9th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th row we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column J and 4th row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 9, 6. 8th row we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column B, 10th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. 8th row we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then 6th grade, we can confirm 9 also here. Column H, 3rd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column B, 8th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column F, column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 8 also here. 4th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. 2nd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Fourth row, two numbers are running, 4 and 9. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Seventh row, two numbers are running, 4 and 7. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column G, two numbers are running, 2 and 7. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, then 7 is confirmed here. Column I, 3 numbers are running, 1, 4, 8. 9th row, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. The 9th grade, a 9th row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 10th row, column B, we have 5. 4th grade and 5th row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 6. 8th row, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. 3rd row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. In column D, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 3rd row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column C, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 8th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 8th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. 2nd row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 1st grade and column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. 3rd row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.